morning, crafty friends. Happy Saturday. I'm sharing with you my design team package from Archana Joshi with CraftyCity.com. And already I can see all the shabby yumminess. This is an amazing package, okay? An amazing kit, let me tell you. Let's go ahead and go on the inside. I went ahead and broke the seal so we wouldn't have to hear too much crumbling. But look at how lovely she packaged this too. That's way better than what I would do. Let me tell you. My past people that I've sent projects to, they probably know that I am not the best packer. Anyway, okay. So first here, let's get into the paper pad first. She sent me the lovely Craft and You design Bellissima Rosa. Is that not gorgeous? Let's go ahead and go in here real quick. I know. I've never seen this paper pad before, so I'm going to go ahead and go in here, and then we'll get to the rest, because I know it all looks yummy. Wow, that's really beautiful. I love the lady on there. So this is a 6x6 paper pad. Love that. Oh, wow, that's really beautiful, too. It's actually, there's music notes. Let me hold that up a little bit further so y'all can see it a little bit better. It looks like you get 1, 2, 3 designs of each. Oh, I love like the wallpaper look with the flowers on it. Really pretty. Yeah, definitely 3 designs. 3 of the same design, sorry. Really love that script writing in the background. Hopefully y'all can kind of see that. Really pretty. This is stunning. Love the stripes again with script writing in the background. Like a really pretty pale Victorian pink. Gorgeous. And here's the lovely lady again. Really beautiful. And then here we have kind of like the green damask wallpaper print. Really light green. In fact, you can barely tell on here. It almost looks like a golden green maybe. Then we go back into the striped wallpaper look again with the flowers. Love, love that. Oh, I love the leaves mixed in with the little itty bitty flowers. Really pretty. Script wallpaper print, or shall I say letters in the background. Love this too. Lots of script writing in the background as well. But I love how they have the lady on there in between the flowers. And we have another wallpaper stripe print. Okay, and so that's the end of that. Really gorgeous, guys. Love this, love this, love this. Okay. Then we have the Sand and Pearls. This is by Prima. Really pretty. Love those. Ooh, she also sent me some Prima flowers. Those are gorgy. I don't know what collection it's from, but they're beautiful. Here's another one. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, if you want to get your hands on this kit, go to her channel now. Stop watching this. Go to her website and order this because she only has 12 of these kits available. Okay, so I just want to let you know that because you might want to get it before it's too late. I love these little acrylic flowers on there. That's gorgeous. And then we have some beautiful faux silk flowers. Really gorge. Love that. And then let's get on into all of these flowers. So we have some medium-sized rosebuds. We have some beautiful little pansy flowers that are white and a really light pink. There you go. No, my camera's not doing this justice, I'm telling you, because these colors are gorgeous. Then we have the small little rosebuds. And then again, we have more of the white petal flowers with a little pink stem in there. And then here we are with some gorgeous large pink flowers. Love, love, love. I love Wild Orchid Crafts. Really beautiful flowers. And then we have some medium-sized rose roses, shall I say. Actually, these would be small. I've seen like extra small, so I would say these are small. And then I love the little pink carnations, is what I'm assuming this is. I have never been too keen on the names of all the flowers, but I love those. And then we have some medium-sized roses. And then again, we have these cabbage roses that are a medium size. So I really love these. These are really cool. Let's see. So let's get on into, oh, I want to show you this real quick. You're going to get a Deep Kiss Prima chalk ink right here. I love those. I use them until, I mean, they're about falling apart. Seriously. I'll even use them after they're falling apart. I don't even care. I'll use it till all the ink is gone. I love all the gorgeous seam binding ribbon. You have a pink, light green, and white. Matches the collection perfectly. Look at all the different laces you're going to get in here. You have like a cream colored lace. And then you have a white one, which kind of reminds me of belt lace. I don't know if that makes a sense, but it could be, looks almost like you could use it on a belt. I love the roses on the vines. Beautiful. And I love this one with the danglies. They're like hearts and then dangles. I don't know if that's what they call it, but to me that's what it looks like. And then let's get on into, you're going to get Scrap and Nix. This is the rose, sorry, not rose, the dress form kit. Okay, and it looks like you get several dress forms. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then of course this is it to put it together. Okay, and then you have your little dowel that goes with it as well. And then we have this really cute little tag that says Merci Danke, which is in, I don't even know how to say the other word. Thank you, Scrapanik. Really beautiful. Absolutely love this. I cannot wait to get started on this. This will be done in a live show on my Facebook group page, which is Salty Beach Scrappers. So if you haven't joined my scrapbook page, you definitely want to join that, and I will give you the dates of when I'm going to be doing this. It's going to be really soon, probably next week sometime. So I will get back with you on that date for sure. And I will see you all soon. Don't forget to visit our Chana store, craftycity.com. Okay. And definitely look for the wardrobe kit. And that's what this is. Okay. So I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. And see you all soon. Bye, y'all.